Hello guys, in this tutorial we will tell you how to apply the content rating for your app. Content rating improves app engagement by targeting the right audience for your content. Click on the content rating menu present on the left hand side panel and then click on the continue button. Here you need to provide your email address. Once the email address is confirmed, select the appropriate category of your app from the options provided. Once you select a category, a few questions related to your app will appear. Complete this questionnaire by selecting yes or no, and then click on the Save Questionnaire button. Once you have saved the questionnaire, click on Calculate Rating. Now you will be redirected to the Calculate Ratings section. From here you can check your app ratings. Now click on the Apply Rating button and you will be redirected to the confirmation page. Here you can check your applied ratings and questionnaire details. If you want, you can also start a new questionnaire by clicking the Save New Questionnaire button. That's all for now. Please proceed to the next video to complete the process of submitting your app to the Google Play Store.